Hello everyone, my name is Andrew. Click here and select Credential. Enter Supabase. We need to get it Pro. Host and see. Go to Supabase website. Open Dashboard. Add organ. I have one, but I'll add a new one. Enter name. Select tariff. Description of tariffs can be viewed here. Create an organization. Now add a project. Change the name to the desired one. And a password for the database. Create project. Go down. Copy project URL. And paste into host. Now copy API key. And paste into secret. That's all. Thank you.